All right, time for some Monday birthdays across the 4 states. We begin in Pittsburgh with Gunnar McCuston, celebrating birthday number 5. And this comes with love from Oma and Pop Pop.
All right, in Weir, Kansas, Aspen Wren is turning 9 years old. Oh, looks like she was a grand champion there too. Aspen, birthday love coming from the family and friends.
And we've got Avery Gilmore celebrating birthday number 9. And Avery attends Garfield Elementary in Parsons. A very happy 9th birthday to you, Avery.
Hey, do you think she's a Royals fan?
There's a slight possibility. It's hard to tell from the photo for sure, but I believe she may be.
All right, happy birthday, Avery. And happy birthday wishes going out to number 4. We've got Paxton Adams celebrating birthday number 10 today.
And we've also got Jalen Irvin, celebrating birthday number 11 in Joplin. And this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and the brothers. Happy birthday.
All right, and you know, whenever someone is in a lovely sunflower field, you have to say, Chris, that she's outstanding.
In her field.
Yep, in the field of her own. All right, happy birthday, Jalen. And happy birthday to Colin Ard, who's now 13 years old. Oh, his birthday was yesterday. That makes it his golden birthday, turning 13 on the 13th.
And we've got Marley Sisney over in Girard celebrating birthday number 14, making today her golden birthday. And this comes with love from the entire family. Happy birthday, Marley.
All right, in Carl Junction, Seth Hansen is turning 19 years old today. And as I understand, Seth is Gabe, our camera operator, our news production assistant, Gabe Hansen's brother. Happy birthday, Seth.
Yes, happy birthday, Seth. And heading to the north in Lamar, we've got Taylor Caterly celebrating birthday number 27. And Taylor is one of graphic artist Will York's cousins. So we got some family birthdays here today. Happy birthday, Taylor.
All right. Crystal Davis celebrating birthday number 38. Hope it's a wonderful one, Crystal.
And we've got Tim Hartman celebrating number 52 over in Scammon. Looks like this is, again, one of those situations you're only as old as you feel, Tim, and it looks like you're having a great time there. Tim in Scammon, and this coming with love from the family and friends.
All right. Jeff Gard is celebrating the big 6-0. Looks like he's been doing some hunting there in St. Paul. Birthday was actually on Friday. I think he was too busy hunting for us to celebrate on Friday. With love from the entire family. Happy birthday, Jeff.
And we've got Neil Swan celebrating birthday. Oh, I'm sorry. I skipped a step. It's this sheet here. Sometimes it gets confusing. Sorry. Carol Pack celebrating birthday number 66 in Thayer. Carol's birthday on Friday, so you know that means that she was just celebrating all weekend long. Carol, happy birthday. Now for the next guy.
That's right, one of our many 4-state heroes, Mr. Neil Swan. What a wonderful picture there, celebrating number 99 in Nevada today. Wow, 99. It says here that Swan served as a corporal in the European theater during World War II. We thank you for your service.
And we continue our list with Chuck Boogney in Frontenac celebrating a birthday today. Chuck, happy birthday to you.
All right, and Tim Sanders, happy birthday to you, Tim. Hope you have a wonderful day.
And we've got Patrick and Rachel Gibson celebrating their 2nd anniversary today. Happy anniversary to you.
All right, our birthday list goes on. We've got Clifton Jarrett turning another year wiser in Baxter Springs, and rounding out the party in the bus with Janice Gaither.
And also celebrating in the bus, John and Patty Dunnick celebrating their anniversary. Happy anniversary to you all. And of course, this was a great birthday list, and we'd like to see it be even greater. Tanya's going to tell you how you can help us out with that.
All you have to do is email us your picture, birthday picture with the name and all the details to birthdayswithanus@komtv.com, or send it to birthdays@komnewsnow.com.
And while you're checking out our website for all the cool things it has to offer, why don't you take a moment to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? You can get some special deals from local businesses and a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. All you need to do is go to komnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today.